super shy, but wait a minute while I make you mine, make you mine. 떨리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy, super shy. I'm super shy, super shy, but wait a minute while I make you mine, make you mine. 떨리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you that.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let's introduce ourselves. My name is and she Susoh-ABDYA. Today we will make snacks and food for procedure text. Next, there are ingredients for making chocolate balls. Ingredients: the first, margarine, chocolate powder, seres, Persian fat chocolate milk, and the last mash the Mary biscuit until smooth. Melt butter over medium heat. Pour the melted margarine over the bread. Stir until evenly mixed. Pour Persian black chocolate milk over the Mary biscuit. And don't forget to stir until evenly mixed. Next, the dough is shaped into a round shape. Then pour in the chocolate powder and seres. Next, the chocolate ball dough is coated with cocoa powder and seres. Kettle, spoon, cutting board. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Next, add the tea. Pour enough water. Stir until evenly mixed until like this. Next, add ice cups. Then squeeze the lime into the tea. Lime tea is ready to be served.